Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So the upcoming Oppo Find X3 series is leaked with a detailed images X3 Pro, X3 Neo and X3 Lite 3 phone coming in the upcoming Oppo Find X3 series. There have been several Oppo Find X3 series leaks and a couple of official teasers so far, but these images let us get a much clearer picture developed by the reliable Evan Blass. They show the entire Find X3 lineup consisting of the Oppo Find X3 Pro, X3 Neo, and X3 Lite. The latter is supposed to be a rebranded Reno 55G. Now, of the official looking of the images, as you can see, of the Oppo Find X3 Pro to take a detailed look at the unique camera bump. According to the source, internal information suggests that so-called creator design is the significant achievement, as these panels have very low yields. We will be looking forward to see what hardware sits inside the bump. Oppo has been consistently upping its camera game lately, and we hope we are in for another exciting edition of the Oppo Find X3 series. A couple of days ago, we have seen the Oppo Find X3 Pro certified with a 4500 mAh battery, but with a faster 65 watts fast charging as well. Now let's talking about the latest leaks about the specification. The Oppo Find X3 Pro will have a latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset, and it's come with a color OS 11.2 based on the Android 11. The particular unit being tested was equipped with a 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. There are 3 CPU cluster are expected for an S888 chipset with a 2.84 GHz prime core, 3 2.42 GHz big cores, and a 4 1.80 GHz small ones. This is the global version of the phone, by the way. So the display resolution is the 1440 by 3216 pixel. This is the latest leak, and 6.7-inch big LCD, and it's come with an OLED panel with 120 Hz refresh rate, and they will use a 250 megapixel Sony sensor IMX766, and it will come with a really amazing camera style, look like the iPhone 12 model. But let me know in the comment section, are you like this new device, the new Find X3 Pro series? This will come soon. And also like the video and subscribe for more tech videos. I'll catch you later in my next video. Peace out.